Are you running away? You are running away. Where you going? Where you going, City? Where you going? I know anywhere but here, right? Where you headed? You don't like the camera? This is a test. The emergency camera system. This is only a test. What's the matter here? The City boy. What are you kids up to? What you doing, City boys? Hello. Hello, Stevie. Hello, John John. Oh, there's a camera. I must hide. What were you doing? What were you doing? What's the matter, John John? Huh? What's the matter? Stevie? What you doing? You camera shy too? Yes? What you doing, kid? It's okay. Okay. You're on video, so nobody move. Oh, you moved. What's the matter, Stevie? You okay? John John, you realizing this is not going to kill you dead? Alright, good. Pretty good, buddy. I hear you in my ear. I hear you. John, John, John. What you doing, pretty boys? What you doing? Still trying to figure out what the weirdo daddy's up to? Trying to figure out what I'm doing? Me too. I'm getting taller. I'm getting taller. Taller. Oh, I'm shrinking. I'm shrinking. I'm shrinking. Oh, wait a minute now. Wait. Oh, hey, whoa, too small. Alright. There we go. That's about right. Come on. You gonna go visit or you gonna stay on my shoulder? Relax, City boy. Relax. Nobody got hurted. Daddy's just testing the camera again. Tries to make sure it's working. Yes. You hold front? No, you're gonna stick behind? Alright. Alright. There's a way I could sit this here. You guys wouldn't know it's here. But you're afraid of tripods, so I can't do that. And I don't think putting it on the table is gonna help us much. Put it here, but I think you'd freak. How would you do if I did this? Would it be okay or no? Would that be okay? No? It's not going to hurt you, kiddo. It's not going to hurt you. It's okay. I know it's scary. I know it's scary. But so am I. And I don't hurt you. Thing pointed at us. Like that he is. It's okay, City boys. It's okay. See? It doesn't hurt you. See? Nothing hurt you. Alright, guys. Alright. I don't want to get you all... We'll take it away because you're a bit stressed. Yep. Now you're really stressed. How much for taking it away? Alright. I'm getting stressed? Okay, Silly. Alright, okay, Stevie just went boom boom. Relax, I said I was taking it away. I'm taking it away. Okay. Alright, you whack-a-noodles. Alright, I saw Stevie go boom boom. Alright, you big sick boy. Now you're on the floor. Now you're on the floor. Now what? Alright, I come get you. I come get you. Stay with us. Alright. Here we go.